Select IMA Extrude from the Direct Surface Creation tools in the Shape Sculpt tab. After selection, a gray canvas appears. This indicates the new surface will be created normal to screen. Switch to Side View using the navigation box. Make sure Add Point is enabled in Tools palette. Create points for the extrude surface according to reference image using left-click. Rotate the viewport to check result. Adjust length of the extrude surface using the handles. Press space to enter modification mode. Select points using trap selection with shift left-click and drag. Position the selected points on the symmetry plane using the edition window. Set the Y value to 0 and press Enter to apply changes. Switch to top view using the navigation box. Adjust the points on the side using translation. Use trap selection and move the points slightly to the rear. Select Cutting Faces in the Shape Sculpt tab. Pick the edge of the subdivision surface. Add 2 additional rows of edges using the ruler on the side. Press space to return to modification mode. No selection is required as the points of the newly created elements are selected by default. Adjust points using translation. Select the points of the hood surface near the wheel arc. Move them slightly to the rear to increase surface acceleration. Press Enter to apply the changes. Select Merge in the Shape Sculpt tab. Select the bumper surface from Step 3, then select the new hood surface. Make sure Merge mode is active in the Tools palette. Reselect the edges where the hood will merge with the bumper. Hold Ctrl to enable multi-selection. Press Enter or click the checkmark icon to apply the merge. Press Escape to exit merge mode.